Good evening, children. Welcome back to the class. Today we will start with the semester 3 honors students, that is the reproductive system. What this reproductive system is? Reproductive system is the partial phase of, we have read through the all physiological activities, that is the life processes all along. But why reproduction at the last? Reproduction means it's the partial phase of life. Any occurrence, any determination, anything done at the partial stage. कुछ समय के बाद what happens in this partial stage? The first thing is that it needs the generation of much and much, not even generation, participation of much and much hormonal activities. It necessitates the hormones to participate for. Gonadal hormones are different, ovarian hormones are different. And what this reproduction stands for? Reproduction means production of any of the things repeated times. Re is the prefix added there. In Hindi we say prajanan. वैसा जनन जिसमें बार बार प्रति बार it is having the initialization of the same time, same species, same type. Now the male reproductive system. The reproductive system of the male does two things. First, it produces sperms and delivers them to the female for fertilization of egg. Secondary, it produces hormones. These hormones delivers the secondary sex characters. Means which type of characteristics? Those which make them bifurcate from the female qualities, female type. Secondary sex character वैसा जो उनमें उत्पत्ति के दौरान during their pubertal stage, during their adolescence stage, वो differentiate करता है कौन पुरुष है और कौन महिला है. So those hormones, these hormones determine the secondary sex characters of the male body. They help the functional organization of the brain and initiate sperm formation. The human male's reproductive system includes very important testes, epididymis, vasa differentia, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and the bulbourethral gland with penis. Now we will begin with the testis. What this testis is? From standard 7 onwards, every time it is coming testis test. What this testis particularly is? In the embryo, the testis develops along with the posterior wall of abdomen. In the embryo means whom? When it is in the mom's umbilical cord, when it is attached in the mom's womb, जब वो माँ के गर्भ में है. Here we are dealing with when and how the testis formation took place. So, in the embryo, the testis develop along the posterior wall of the abdomen. Shortly before birth, they descend into the fleshy sac known as scrotum. बाद में वो क्या था? एब्डोमिनल ग्लैंड के था साथ था, लेकिन बाद में वो एक थैले जैसे पाउच में स्क्रॉल होकर के रह जाता है, एंड दैट इज नोन एज द स्क्रोटम विच हैंग्स अवे फ्रॉम द बॉडी वॉल बिटवीन थाइस. और वो स्क्रोटम कहाँ चला जाता है? वो हैंगिंग पोजिशन में होता है एट द लास्ट एज और बिटवीन द थाइस, दोनों जांघों की बीच में. द पेनिस एंड स्क्रोटम टुगेदर कंस्टिट्यूट मेल एक्सटर्नल ग्लैंड फॉर जेनेटिलिया. मेल एक्सटर्नल ग्लैंड फॉर द जेनाइटल पर्पस. पेनिस और स्क्रोटम मिला करके रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम पूरी तरह से बना. इफ द टेस्टिस डू नॉट डिसेंड, स्टेरिलिटी अकर्स बिकॉज नॉर्मल स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन इज इनहिबिटेड. अगर वो नीचे नहीं होता तो क्या होता? स्टेराइल हो जाता. मेल का बॉडी टेम्परेचर और पेनिस का, टेस्टिस का टेम्परेचर इज टोटली रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंट फॉर ईच अदर. वो दोनों डिफरेंट होता है. Temperature in the scrotum is about 2 to 3 degrees centigrade, whereas in the body temperature it is vast different rather than these 2 or 3. So it needs very less temperature. Okay. In the wall of a scrotum there is a layer of a smooth muscle known as the dartus muscle, which respond to changing temperature. उस स्क्रोटम में एक ऐसा मस्कुलर स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसको डार्टस मसल कहते हैं, जो कि टेम्परेचर का वेरिएंस मेंटेन रखता है. In the cold, this muscle contracts and the testes are drawn closer to the abdomen for warmth, while heat causes muscles to relax and testes descend forward. Internally, the testes are subdivided roughly into many compartments, those which are seminiferous tubules. बहुत सारे, अगर टेस्टिस का डायग्राम मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, उसमें क्या होता है? बहुत सारा खंड बना होता है और वो खंड ट्यूब्यूल से कनेक्टेड होते हैं. मीन्स दे ऑल आर कनेक्टेड विद द पाइपलाइन, इसलिए उसको कहते हैं सेमीनेफ्रस ट्यूब्यूल्स. विच स्पर्म्स आर, वेयर स्पर्म्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. वहाँ पे क्या फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है? स्पर्म का. आखिर टेस्टिस का नेसेसिटी क्या है, रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? It is totally and totally dependent for the formation of sperms. Do sperms anytime anywhere can be ejaculated? No, it also needs the time, particular sex oriented requirements, desires. Along the outer wall of these tubules are a specialized cell called spermatogonia. Surrounding the spermatogonia and developing sperm are large cells called the Sertoli cells. Spermatogonia को और seminiferous tubules को जो surround कर रहा है, that is known as the Sertoli cells. These cells provide protection, support, nourishment and development to the sperm. Clear? Now, Sertoli cells, a barrier protects a sperm from the attack of body's immune system. ये sperms को बचा के भी रखता है at the safer part. At puberty, millions of sperm match each day, and a male continues to make sperm from puberty till his death. Means man is capable of excreting sperm from his puberty to the last stages of his body's life.